and gentlemen, boys and girls, this tutorial is scheduled for one look. Introducing to you the Broke Beauty Guru and your host for Wrestling with Beauty, the Ring Queen, Lexa Rose. Welcome, welcome guys to another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. I am the Ring Queen, Lexa Rose, and today we're just going to start off with a whole big just whatever look. The beauty community has been buzzing with Norvina trying to do an Anastasia Beverly Hills PR search. I tried, didn't work, but it doesn't mean that a lot of artists weren't picked. A lot of them made the list, which I'm very proud of. So many other people deserved it more than me. It just teaches me to step up my game and start getting better at doing makeup. So with that being said, we're just going to do a quickie gold look. I've already seen what colors we're going to be using, and I'm going to be using the Riviera palette. So let's get started. Okay, so of course I usually do my eyebrows and prep my face off camera, so we're just going to get started. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit up this color Palm right here, and we're just going to pack that all over the crease, and then we're just going to blend it out later. Okay, so now that we've got that on, we're just going to grab a fluffy brush, and we're just going to take this color Cabana, and we're just going to use that to buff out this brown color. Okay, because it's a really quick look, we're just going to go right into Yacht, and we're going to put that right on the middle of the lid towards the outer corner right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put Inheritance on the inner corner. Actually, we're just going to say fuck it and put it all over the whole entire lid instead. We'll save Inheritance for like the inner corner. Make it really go. Okay, we're going to go back into the outer corners with Palm, and we're just going to take the same brush that we used to apply it, and we're just going to add that to the outer corners. Okay, so we're going to buff out the outer corner, and we're just going to go a little bit back in with Cabana, not too much. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go and take Inheritance on this small brush. We don't need too much. It's going to go right in the inner corners. So now that we've got the eyes almost done, we're just going to go right into our Clinique Pretty Easy eyelining pen, and we're just going to line our eyes. Thoroughly not happy with the fact that this side came out better than this side with the liner. Like, literally this side looks really disgusting. Then again, it's my own fault. I usually like try not to rush through these things, but shit happens. So this side, ignore. This side, whatever. We're just gonna go in with our foundation, Fenty Beauty in 250. Completely wrong shade, but I make it work, so. Okay, so we're gonna be using these, and we're gonna obviously contour the face. Now, we blend everything together. Okay, so now we're gonna go right into our airspun powder, and we're just gonna set all the highlight points where we contoured. I'm just gonna go back with the Beauty Blender to get rid of any creases that might have possibly formed while I was blending the contour. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right back into our homie brush, and we're gonna go back into our Riviera palette. We're just gonna redo Inheritance on the inner corners really quickly, and then we're gonna smoke out the under eye, but we're gonna use a different color, and I wanna use, I don't know if that says seashells, but we're going to use that for the under eye because it's such a gorgeous metallic teal, and I just want to try it. Okay, so next we're going to go into our NYX Fard Ombre in Sweet Springs. We're just going to... Sorry, I can't actually like doing that, so forgive me. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the brow bone really quickly, and I'm going to go right into our Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette, and we're just going to hit up Treasure, which is kind of probably like the brightest, whitest shimmer shade they have here, and I'm going to just throw that right up here. Okay, so now that we're finished up, we're going to go in with our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Gee golly gosh, it smells so good. Ugh, and I really need to get a fill-in badly. Like, don't you hate when your nails stuck like that and then you run your fingers through your nails, your hair gets stuck and you're like, ay coño! That's me. Badly need a feeling. So, entonces, you know, it's the struggle of a broke beauty guru. What can I say? Que yo quiero que hablar. ¿Ah? ¿Qué tú quieres? ¿Ah? ¿Ah? Alright. Anyways, we are at the home stretch. We are already almost done. We're going to go right into this beautiful, gorgeous Frostbite Liquid Frost by Jeffree Star. And just going to put a little bit on here because, like, seriously, fam, this can be OD if not properly applied. So okay, so now what we're gonna do to set this gorgeous highlight and really make it pop, we're gonna grab our, where the F did I put my brush? Oh, there it goes. We're gonna grab our Morphe M510 and go right into this Rainforest of the Sea and literally just hit up like these shimmery colors and pop them right on. No fricks given. Muchacha, no puedo. Like, you see this? Like, bless you, Jeffree. The holy Jeffree. Like, I can't. It's whole. Oh, off thank Wong Fu. I'm not being presumptuous. Just thank you! Okay, moving on. We are almost done. We are going to go right into our Roller Lash by Benefit Cosmetics. And we're just going to freaking like curl these up to the gods. I have natural eyelashes. I do not use falsies. Personal preference. I have honestly no problem with falsies. I just choose not to wear them. For me, it's way too much work, especially since I'm already here at work. And I really am time constrained when I do these looks. So, yeah. Definitely no time for glue, drying, applying, and going. It's just really not. It doesn't fit into my schedule, let's just say. I'm really like hating this one fucking wing. It's just so shitty. But whatever. I'll just take pictures from this side. Remember that there's mistakes and you're gonna probably feel some type of way, but you know what? As long as you got one side that looks good and you got a good angle, fuck the other side if it doesn't look perfect. You know what I'm saying? You do this makeup for you, not for anybody else. You do it because you love it. And you do you, boo-boo. You do you, boo-boo. So never ever feel like, you know, I mean, yes, it's kind of irking me at the moment, but then it's like, I realize, who cares? Most of my pictures are going to be on this side anyways, because, you know, like Mariah Carey, you got to have that one good side. Like me. So, never ever feel like, oh, only one side looks good. That's fine. All you need is one side. That's the Instagram side. That's the social media side that you want people to see. That's the side you show off. The other side, it's just the, you know, sister we don't talk about. You know? It's that sibling that, you know, it's the kid under the stairs that gets a post on Sundays. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish off with Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. Ooh, sorry, I'm itchy. In Saint-Tropez. That sounds like something fucking like unhealthy. Saint-Tropez. God, what's wrong with me? And this is the completed look. Just playing with my Riviera palette. I kind of really like it. It's a very pretty soft gold color. Very rustic gold. Damn, son. I really can't talk today, can I? Well, going with the spirit of Riviera and boats and stuff, I shall name this look its name is Rio and she dances on the sand. Yeah, that's what this look is. I'm a very huge Duran Duran fan. You can kiss my ass. This look is called, her name is Rio. I mean, look at the fucking glow. Holy crap. Like, even standalone, the liquid frost is fucking amazing. But then when you throw a highlight on top, it's just like, BAM! Like, fuck. And you don't get that kind of reaction unless Ron Simmons walks into a room, is mad silent for about a good 10 to 20 seconds, and then looks in the camera and goes, damn! That's this right here. God bless you, Jeffree Star. Patron saint of beauty. Anyways, I am the Broke Beauty Guru, the Ring Queen Lexa Rose, and you've been watching another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me what kind of looks you want to see, what kind of inspired looks, what kind of wrestlers you want to see me do. I'm kind of thinking about going back to doing that. Going back to doing definitely cartoon-inspired ones soon. I'm going to be actually doing the Mandela Effect favorite, Berenstain Bears, whatever. You know who they are. I know who they are. We grew up with them, and they are my next makeup-inspired series. So please stay tuned. Again, I am the Broke Beauty Guru, your host for Wrestling with Beauty, the Ring Queen Lexa Rose, and keep it Gucci Poochie, bitches.